going over there?
You're really ruining my flow right now, you know that?
You got an issue. His movement, man.
We have 15 minutes.
It's time.
Hit it.
Hello, boys.
What if I told you, I know what happens when you die? You become a ghost.
No more criminal records.
No more office parties. Or stupid weddings.
The best part of being dead is the freedom. Not policies or politics.
No one touch. He's mine.
All we ever hear from you is blah, blah, blah.
We answer to no one.
We don't even care about what they say.
You could take out some truly evil people.
He's stuck at the stairwell.
Guys, I got a bad idea.
Don't have bad ideas.
I have good ideas.
'Cause it's yeah, blah, 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 blah,
Was that a bad guy?
These people were declared dead.
None of us will be remembered. What's about to happen will.
Good things when you raise the bad ones, right?
Who the hell are you?
We're no one.
If they exist, they can be made not to.
Bobby, they have fighter jets! You see that? Yes! You see that?
blah, blah, blah.
Sorry for yelling.
Welcome to the world's biggest magnet.
Are you out of your mind?
Grenade!
I wasn't sure it would work. I mean, I wasn't sure. I had a suspicion, but this is all so fucking dangerous.